How to remove threads badge on Instagram profile. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can hide threads icon. In order to hide the threads icon, first of all, update your application. For that, you need to go to your Play Store and you need to tap on the search bar, type in Instagram. After you open up the Instagram application, you'll be able to see update or open. If you see update, tap on it and wait for the application to be updated. After you're done completely updating the application, click on the open button and then log in into your Instagram account. Once you're logged into your Instagram account, you'll be directed to the home page, and this is how it's gonna look like. Now on this page, click on the profile icon from the bottom right hand side corner, and you can see right under my username or the profile icon there is thread badge or the thread icon. Now if you want to remove it, so tap on the and you can see you have this button as either you can view the profile or you can hide the badge. So click on hide badge, and as soon as you click on hide badge, there will be a statement stating that you can't add it back to your profile once you remove it. So once you tap on it, it's gonna be permanent and you will not be able to restore it. If you're sure about it, click on remove badge, and that's how you can remove threads badge on Instagram. So that's basically how you can remove threads badge on Instagram. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.